Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are in installation Python 3.10 and PyCharm Windows 11. Let's go. Where first of all see Python a command. Just click here is Python 3.10. We can get there, but we have not download. Where another where Python is not showing. Let's go. Just type for Google. Google Python download. Here is Python download. I click here. This download where another download PyCharm some download. I click download here community version. Click here download. Already download here. Where download our Python. Here click. Here just custom. You can all take next installation. Programs, files, and Python's location. You can change your location, but I have not since this is I want to be default location. You can change your location. Next, yeah, is on processing. It took some time. We'll wait for this. This is our silent solution. Here is when any application in this learn stack, he can solve this here. Please subscribe our channel and visit our channel. Thanks. Let's go. I think we are already installation completed. This process need to some time. Wait, we're waiting for. I think our Python is successfully. We can close. Here is. Let's go. We'll see our Python, but we're till now there is version, but not here is. Need to our change path location, environment, here edit. Close. You can again open our terminal. Python has 5 plus 5 attached. Just print hello silent. has a missed track. Then syntax mix, that's have not print, and a silent solution. There is click. You can print here. Let's go where another software installation. PyCharm. I go to download. Okay. That's advanced tutor. Next. And it's just your location. You can change your location, but I have not location change. Just click here. Path 7. So next often is the hello silent solution. You can try this. Let's send something which where another video. We're ready. Our PyCharm. Just finish here. Just finish. I want to manually reboot now. Here is our icon. Here. Community Javin. We continue. Just next click. Our project variant. Here you can your Python project. You can change your. Here is my project. You can change this. Just create a project. Here is you can. Your name is hello solution. Press cut. Need to time. Already have exited. You can see here. You can run program. Just right button. Click and run the Python. Paris. Did you time? Here, open. Hi, PyCharm is done. Thanks for watching.